Okay, like I mentioned, I'm gonna keep doing these updates on a weekly basis here, and I know I was unable to get any video the other day on the plugging in of the Dimo into the car, but I already have my first week's rewards because they update the rewards every Monday. And I had it plugged in on Sunday, so they actually gave me 1 week's worth of Demo rewards for having it plugged in for just one day. And as you can see here, it shows that I've only traveled 30 miles. And let's see here. If I go over here, I can show you let's see, the history. And then it shows you here that I had a referral, which gave me the 50 free Demo. And then the baseline rewards for that week was 174.27 Demo. That equates to almost $50 just in that first week of activity. So, if you stretch that out, you could easily see somewhere around $200 a month just for having this guy plugged in. So we'll keep you updated, and subscribe if you want to keep seeing how this turns out as time goes on.